Welcome to episode 49. Yeah, I think so. We've kind of finished off most of the features. I was looking at the issues list. It's getting nice and small. I added a new tag, a nice blue one here for launch tasks. So yeah, I think the next thing I'm going to get into is the colossal task, which is mobile. Usually I'll think about this earlier. Some of the charts I did in a sense, but this is definitely, I was going for like desktop feature first on this, and we'll revise it to work on mobile. So I think that's where I'll start. And like mobile and responsiveness is going to be baked into one. Also, you can see now I have a purple instead of a red. So that happened. So yeah, let's do this one chart at a time. I think I'm going to save the sticky chart for last because I try to go from easiest to hardest. And actually, yeah, let's just go in reverse. No, that's not the easiest chart. I think the easiest chart is going to be the table. Don't worry about the filters. Let's get rid of everything else. Okay, so hopefully this one will be like entirely CSS and not too much JS, which would be great. So basically, let's go to like, actually, I always like to check the latest stats. I mean, oops, that's not stats. I have this thing here, this guy, David Smith. He has a big iPhone app, and he always, let's not look at this on mobile. He's every day he updates the his user base, like, so you can get a sense of what people are using. So it's all iOS. So let's say 81% of people are on 11. It's pretty much, so basically what this indicates that like no one is really, what's weird is 7 is higher than 8, but pretty much no one is using anything less than version 9. And then device wise, most people are on 6, 6, 7, 7. All right, so there's still a chunk of 5s, which is I think that 320 dimension. So that's pretty much what I was checking in on. I guess people, I can't believe people still have the 5. That's like, how many years old is that?
It's a few years old, but isn't there like the CE or something like that that has the shape of the 5 still?
Let's find out. I exited that too soon.
I think it's like, yeah, the iPhone SE.
Oh, I don't see that on here.
Here, I'm gonna.
So this is popularity. Wait, this is not sorted. Use it. Here we go. 6, 6, 7, 7, 5S. Is that what you're thinking of?
No, I'm gonna. I'm doing a.
Oh, SE.
Check the SE. Yeah. I think that has the same screen size as the 5.
Let's see if Chrome has that. Oh yeah, there it is. Okay.
It does.
So we're sticking with this. It's also funny that that's like blurry on my screen. Also, this totally doesn't look like that. Looks super tiny. Oh, maybe, I don't know. Let's see. I don't always trust the emulator. Yeah, look, there's no, it shouldn't be that small. The emulator can be weird, man. I don't trust this. I'm just gonna go to a 320 and then I'll check on my actual device. So the nice thing is we can't, oh yeah. How do we go less than 320? I forget. If I pop this over, we can get it there. Okay, we'll start there. So clearly I'm going to get rid of those names, or the, what are those called? The span. So display, I like to do the thing where it's, I start with the mobile size and, hold on, reading an email. Okay. So if we display none on that, those go away. And then I have some baked in media queries. So if you look at my, if you look at my media queries, I've got these variables and a helper function. So I've got BP2, BP3, et cetera, which combine, and those are the pixel values for reference. So I'll probably do it on BP3. Anything higher than that, I'll add the name back in maybe. So I'll say MQ BP3 display back to inline. Just to see that that works. There we go. See at 480, it pops back on, which to be honest is actually too soon. We're going to do it at 640. Okay, so let's go back to our size. So I think for this, I think it's totally, so let's say we have a fixed width, I believe, on let's say 2 values. Yeah. Oh, I thought I had a fixed width here somewhere. I guess not. Well, we're going to want to hide a couple of the columns. Those aren't like necessary information. So on mobile, you're just going to see, I could do like a responsive table, but this list would be massive. So I'm just going to keep it at, child 2, display none, child 3, display none. Thank you. Dash 4. I forget. I think it's table cell. I want to get the thing right. It's not block. Table cell. Actually, I don't know. It's, I don't know my CSS. You can definitely do like a 2 or 3. Let's see, we should look that up. I've never been there. That seems complicated. Well, there's a lot you can do with that. Well, that doesn't seem much more. It's not much more simple than what I have. So, all right. All right. So we've got display none, and then we also want to make sure we do that on the head. Here we go. And then in theory, oh, it goes away. Why is it going away? Oh, there it is. I knew I had a min width on. So I'm actually going to set that only to be a thing on BP4. Otherwise, it'll do even distribution. That seems a little unnecessary, so we can still give it a min width just so it's a little bit bigger, I guess. And okay, So now we have a usable table on small screens. Actually, let's make that a little smaller. So that title. There we go. I think we're good here. That was the, and then when we balloon it up, everything should look normal. Okay. One thing done. Okay, next one. Not all going to be that easy. Both care because that's also just text. All right, this one's going to be interesting looking on mobile. Actually, you know what? Something I also wanted to bold these before I forget. Our pseudo chart titles I wanted to bold. Okay. And then let's see. Oh, that's way too bold. Rose. Oh, I forgot to close the tag. Lots of mistyped. Let's look at the 1 week moving average of the percent increase in page views compared to before that. It's also a mouthful. Okay, so let's shrink this down. So for starters, well, this technically works. I don't hate it. It's just a giant list. I can definitely get like 2 columns wide here, though, which I think would make it a little better.
I like 2 columns.
I think I'll hide this thing because that's just gonna get in the way. So let's go to impact dots. Right one. label. I'll probably bring this back. It's a block. All right, so that's gone. Do we have padding on our main tag? I don't. Okay, so everyone handles it. Oh, there's on the section tag though. That's good. Figurehead. Oh, that used to be a thing. Should delete those now that I don't have this anymore. You know what I could do? I wonder. I might actually put the weeks. Let's see. How is this structured again? Yeah, I think I might put that actually above. Above. And then that means I can also put the word week in there. Let's see. So UL LI. So it's flex, cool. So this shouldn't be too hard. It's a week flex. Flex direction column. Actually, wait. So let me preserve the other stuff. So MQBP-4 flex direction row. Flex direction column of mobile. That's weird. That is label, which has min width. Doesn't have. Why is it so small? Oh. Here. On our text line, right? So and then also let's go to care.js. I think where I make the label. I'm going to return go. There we go. And this one says 1 week. And actually I can throw on 0 normal. And then we'll just make sure to hide that on that whole span on desktop. Okay, so we integrated that label, which is nice. Actually, I think it was until normal traffic. All right, style. Let's cool. Let's give it a little. All right, now let's do this thing, which is flex wrap. I think they're just too big, so that should just be pretty straightforward. Yeah, it has a fixed width, so we're going to do a couple of things here. MQ 4, and that in here as well. Hey, probably crazy to try to get 3. Oh wait, there's some padding we can get rid of here. There we go. Figure list. One more space. Do you think we can get 3 across? That'd be kind of baller. Oh, we already have. I don't know if it's okay. It might be okay if we have people's names on 2 lines. All right, that's everything. Oh wait, it's not quite good. Dang. Really can't get it. Okay. Gosh darn it, Charles. I don't hate that. That's functional.
How you did the 0 weeks until normal traffic and then removed it as it went down.
Thank you. I think this is much better for space, and it's actually not too bad of a scroll.
Yeah, I agree.
I'm okay with this. This is fine. Actually, I wonder if I can bring back the font size just to keep it consistent. Yes, okay.
Nice.
And let's just all right, I think I'm done with this. There was going to be no tooltip. I could make the tooltip a thing you click on on desktop or mobile. I guess we'll have to figure that out eventually. But for now, I'm fine with this chart. This is done. Cranking them out. Yeah, the easy ones that are just text. Mobile. So, I guess I'll do the bottom one. This one's going to be challenging, actually. You have the name on the side, which takes up a crap ton of space. I'm kind of worried about this one. Not going to lie. Also, I'm doing mobile stuff. This does not need to have its own extra padding. Sorry. Much better. All right, let's see how horrible this is going to be. Well, let's start with that. This thing is I'm gonna need a mobile version of that probably, or that's probably, I know actually will probably be okay on a real screen, but we can take a look on an actual device. This is going to be problematic. So there's definitely going to be no annotations. Which means we can also remove the annotations UI. That's a very narrow chart. Oh goodness.
That scroll on it too.
The what?
The scroll.
Yeah.
I kind of like it.
I mean, the name takes up half the screen. Oh, I don't know. I don't know if I can.
Can we do last names?
Peep.
There would be some exceptions. I love how aggressively you're just like peep. Like...
Okay, so here's what we can do. We can definitely have the name stack, and make the font smaller. We can. It's gonna be a crappy chart on mobile. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, I'm curious what what's that Axios one I keep referencing? Like, I can't imagine this looks good on mobile.
I like the scroll of it on mobile though, like I said.
Mm-hmm.
It's like a nice, but definitely it's only because the names are taking so much of the screen.
Yeah, so I mean, let's see what they do on mobile will be the question. Really? It just doesn't load.
They were like, nope.
Wait, for real? Come on.
They were just like, I just don't think we're gonna do it.
It's not a good look, Axios.
Not a good look.
There it goes. Okay, this is what I thought. So they put the labels in line, which works mostly because they're just spikes.
Yeah, but this is like a chart where the whole...
Right, it's not about the spikes.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, let's get to work here. Let's see what we can do.
I think I'm gonna set my alarm tone to you being like, peep.
Okay. All right, so first I think I need we don't need that much padding, so I think we're gonna bring this down, and then individually the charts can update. So that'll give me a little more padding or room to play with. Oh shoot. I'm gonna have to make the right padding. Let's see. I mean the right margin. This is the back chart. That's definitely gonna have to be 0. Left is already 0, so that's cool. All right, let's get to the font sizing. Oh, that's already wrong to begin with. It should be 500. Or triple text. And then the width, I forgot this is SVG. So text width, I'm gonna have to control inside of here. So on recess, so actually this is gonna be dynamic. Text width, everywhere I do that. Some font size actually. But I think just use for a calculation solve. But all right, so on resize, let's say text width equals d3 dot select body dot node offset width is less than dp plus ram times. I'm just guessing right now. dp. I'm using that 640. Oh, stupid. I forgot this is SVG text, so I have to write a custom wrapping function. It doesn't just wrap automatically. Curse you, SVG text.
Could just do the last name.
All right, so let's see what we're dealing with here. Wait, resize. I have this backwards. I think I actually have a text wrap function in here. Okay, that's not the end of the world. I think if we can double deck them. All right, what's it? Wrap text? Text wrap? Wrap? Oh, I thought I did. Maybe because it's built into Jetpack, I don't use it. Utilities. Huh, yeah, all right. D3 Jetpack. App. Word wrap. All right, so we pen text and then we actually do T-spans instead. So let's see here. Text. However, all right, so this is going to be not the most responsive if I do it this way, unfortunately. So resize, we're going to have to redraw the text every time. Here we go. Huh. You're doing that. So, and then we can do select all T-spans, remove, select name dot T-spans. D.word wrap, D.display, and short with characters. See what that gets us. All right, see if this works. Actually, app. Let's say let's save this. mobile. And otherwise, like, we won't wrap it basically. Very curious if this works. Totally didn't work. What is T-spans? Append text. T-span. Oh, I never appended text. Oh no, that should be a text thing. Yeah. Cool. Hey, look at that. No text. Somewhere. X, Y. I'm assuming they're ignoring the whole text anchor thing. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's annoying. Yeah, I hate text messaging. All right, I guess I'm just going to deal with it on mobile and then not use T-spans on desktop. I think that's my plan. So let's see. If mobile plus and now well, first of all, we want to text wrap much quicker. And then we also need to move them up because obviously they're overlapping. So the first name's in the right place. So this is going to be a little weird. If person dot select, I just need to store this name because I'm accessing it a bunch. Name dot select all T-span. It's greater than 1. You want to say name attribute y. Basically redoing this one. didn't work. Reset it here. Is that working? I don't think it is. Text. Oh shit. Oh, it is. It just doesn't. It's not enough. Let's see. Oh wait, little Peep got transformed.
Peep.
Peep got transformed. The hell is 117? Oh, wait, what? Name. That's weird. What happens if I just transform everybody? Everybody gets transformed. Does that make sense? You know, like, why was that not? If dang it. That's anything. Uh, Also will sell that at Y. There's too much space there. Shit. $15. I wonder if you can specify font size in word wrap. Oh. Okay, lots of things. Not look like successful. Oh, okay, Little Peeps is right. However, that didn't happen. God darn it. Why are they all length 1? What in the world? Oh my goodness. Oh, that's not helpful. All right. Ooh, I gotta go. We'll finish this off and then get to the other chart. We're back, and then we'll be almost done with mobile. Yay! Bye bye.